Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is 6th week of remote learning. We are going to start with the first lesson of grade 3 social studies. We are going to start with the lesson number 4. This is climate. What is climate? Let me tell you, it is the weather condition of an area over the long period of time. Climate of the different places is different. It depends upon different factors: temperature, sea level, height, sheltered areas, air pressure. These are all those factors which affect the climate of an area. So here in this chapter we will talk about not only about the climate of different parts of the country, our country, Pakistan. We will also talk about those factors which can affect the climate and its conditions. So let's start with the reading of the chapter. This is climate, lesson number 4, and this is your page number 12 of your textbook. Let's start with the reading. Some days are hot and sunny, some are wet and it rains a lot. So it is not steady straight condition. Sometime it is hot during some days of the year, and sometime it might be the change in temperature to a little extent, or sometime more than that. Sometimes there are hot, dry winds blowing, sometimes there are thunderstorms and flashes of lightning up in the sky. This is the daily weather. So weather changes from day to day. For example, nowadays it is very hot, and almost few weeks back it rained a lot. Even the city of Karachi was flooded due to rainy water. So this is how the weather can change from day to day. So nowadays it is hot and sunny days throughout the country. However, in some places it is cold for long period of time. It is so cold that often instead of rain, snow or hail falls from the clouds. And this is about some parts of our country, even especially the areas which are in north. There, due to the height, the atmosphere is very cold, and due to that reason, almost during all of the year weather is fine. Even during the hot summer days, people go there in order to enjoy the cold light breeze during the hot summer days, and it almost rains throughout the year or within these areas. In some places very little rain falls during the year. The land is hard and dry, and the temperature is usually hot in the day and cool at night. Yes, this is the condition, varying from place to place. Sometime during the daytime it might be very hot, but during the night time it may become very cold. We say that these places have different climates. Climate is the word we use for the usual weather of a place during a year. So we can say that climate is the weather condition of any area during one whole year. It may change from hot to cold weather, from spring to autumn, and from hot days to the rainy days. In most parts of the Pakistan, we have a warm climate. High up on the mountain of the north, it is cloudy throughout the year. Yes, that is what I told you. Most of the people who are living in the plain areas of Punjab and Sindh, they go towards the north and enjoy the cold days, even the hot summer. In the south there is never only snow, and it is warm all the year. Okay, this is the condition of the southern region of Pakistan. In the south there is dry and hot weather throughout the year. Do you know that the hottest place in Pakistan is Sibbi in Balochistan? The temperature here can go up to 50 degrees C. So this was about the hottest place in Pakistan within Balochistan, that is Sibbi. The climate of a place is divided into different periods called seasons. So within one country, we might have different type of climate, different type of weather conditions within different months of the year. So we can divide a year according to the climate condition. Some months are included in summer. During some months we may have winter, and for a short period of time we might have autumn and summer and spring as well. The warm time of the year is called summer, the cold time of the year is called winter, You have also learned it in the book too. Yes, during your grade 2 we studied about it. Summer and winter are seasons. So boys and girls, this was the little introduction of climate to you people. So what you have to go through your textbook pages and read about the climate. We have different climatic conditions in different areas of Pakistan, and we have different seasons during the whole year. So let's start with today's homework. Our chapter is climate, and this is page number 20 of your skill book. Let's start with the homework. Before doing anything, don't forget to write down the date at the top of your page. And here we have to do some difficult words and their meanings. Climate, it is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Then temperature, degree of heat. Lightning, flash with lightning. Rainfall, the fall of rain. The seasons, the division of a year according to the weather. Now here are some filling the blanks. The weather changes from day to day. Places have different climates. As I told you, different places they have their own climates. So all the conditions are different throughout the country. We have warm climate in Pakistan. This is about the overall climate of Pakistan. It is warm. The warm time of the year is called summer. The summer and winters are seasons. So let's do the other page. Here are some MCQs for you. And number 1 is, in the north of the country the climate is dash throughout the year. This is cloudy, warm or cold. This is cloudy. Then temperature is measured with a rain gauge, wind vane, thermometer, and that option which is correct, that is thermometer. The rainfall is measured in millimeters, wind vane, kilometer. This is millimeter. We can tell the climate of a place by measuring speed, we can tell it by just measuring the temperature. We use dash to tell the direction of wind. This is rain gauge, wind vane or thermometer. Of course, wind vane is used to find out the direction of wind. That is all, boys and girls, for today. Inshallah, we will talk about the next page of our textbook. We will discuss about the climate during our next lesson tomorrow, inshallah. For tomorrow, up till tomorrow, that is all for today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.